Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Invader 9101 in League of Legends. So it's a untrusted machine error. You have to remove any third-party software system that the system detects as cheats, even if it's related to other games. So if you have a third-party controller, some like sketchy software for whatever like game, or if it's like some indie game or something, or like even some bad drivers for like the recent program that you installed. I had the same issue with pain control where it had like outdated driver and it thought it was like a virus. So it thought it was a cheat. So it like blocked the fan control and the Vanguard didn't work. Now, after you deleted all of those, if you have a MSI Afterburner, it can cause this issue. So if you have it, make sure you uninstall it, but you have to uninstall it properly by using Revo uninstaller, because you can delete like the back files, the log files of it, so there's like nothing left on your PC. So you download Revo uninstaller and then uninstall MSI Afterburner if you have it, because it could be one of the potential reasons your game doesn't work. Now, after you uninstall it, you want to go to search, type in add or remove programs, click here search apps, type in Riot. You want to find Riot Vanguard, click on three dots, click uninstall, uninstall again, click yes again, and let it be deleted from the list and uninstalled. After it's gone from the list, you want to exit out of this. You want to relaunch Riot Client. After the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends, click here update, and click yes, and it will install Vanguard. It says now installing Vanguard. After it's done installing, it will say here your game requires a system restart. Don't restart just yet. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. Go to this list. Once it clicks somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it. Switch the startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Go to services tab, scroll, click hide on Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, tick it back again, click apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your League of Legends should work properly. Also, make sure to delete any like weird software or drivers that you have installed recently, which is probably causing the issue in the first place. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanner 9101 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.